In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of your Suno AI account. It's a simple process, so let's get started right away. The first thing you'll want to do is make sure you're logged into your Suno AI account. Once you're inside, you might find yourself staring at the home page, which is typically filled with all sorts of options and features. But don't worry, you won't need to delve into all those details right now. Instead, direct your attention to the upper left-hand corner of your screen, where you will spot your user icon. This little icon is your gateway to all your personal settings and options, which includes the Sign Out feature. Hover over that user icon with your mouse. It might just be a tiny graphic of a person, or perhaps your photo if you've customized it. Clicking on this icon will open a small drop-down menu that provides you with a list of options to choose from. While this menu may present other features related to your profile and account settings, focus on what we're here for today. Logging out. In this menu, you will see the Sign Out option. It's usually located at the bottom of the list, designed to be intuitive so you can access it without too much scrolling or searching. Once you've found the Sign Out option, go ahead and click it. It's as simple as that. Clicking on Sign Out will take you back to the login page or perhaps the home page of Suno's website, depending on how the system is set up. This action ensures that your account is securely closed, protecting your personal information and activity data. Now, here's a little bonus tip for you. It's always a good idea to log out of your accounts when you're done using them, especially if you're on a shared or public computer. This extra step ensures that no one else can access your information if they happen to use the same device after you. And there you have it. Logging out of your Suno AI account is a straightforward process that only takes a few clicks. Whether you're finishing up your work for the day, switching accounts, or just stepping away from your computer for a while, knowing how to securely log out is an important part of maintaining your digital security. Thanks for watching this simple yet essential guide, and I hope you found it helpful. Feel free to check out our other videos for more useful tips and tricks on managing your Suno AI account and other digital platforms. Have a great day.